Hello, and welcome to this training video. In this demonstration, we will admit patients to the ED whiteboard with different scenarios. To add a patient to the ED whiteboard in Nervecentre, go to the Patient List tab. This is where you can search for patients using the magnifying glass. Search using the patient details and click Search All Patients. Double-click the patient on the patient list. Once the patient has been found, click their name. They can be admitted to the ED unit. Go to the Patient Admin tab, and on the left side of the screen, click Admit under the Admit, Depart and Transfer header. Choose the appropriate option, Arrived at ED for Kings Mill Emergency Department and Admit to Assessment Unit for the same-day Emergency Care Unit. The Choose Form option displays. Now choose the area from the drop-down menu, either attend the emergency department or attend the urgent treatment center at Newark. Now the attendance form will load. Fill this out as appropriate, making sure all mandatory fields are populated. Once completed, click Arrive Patient at the bottom of the form. The patient will now be available on the whiteboard. Pre-admits are used to populate information on patients that are due to attend the urgent and emergency care department. Pre-admits can be created for patients from the patient detail screen once a patient has already been selected. From the Patient Admin menu on the left side of the screen, select Pre-admit. Choose the appropriate option, whether the pre-admission will be in a new episode of care or whether it is linked to an existing episode. From here, fill out the form. Once completed, select Create Pre-admission. This will then add the pre-admission for use when the patient arrives in the department. Admitting a patient with a pre-admit. If a patient has a pre-admit, the previous method of admitting a patient can be used. When the admission form is loaded, make sure to click the Link to Pre-admit field. This will then populate the form with information that was recorded within the pre-admit. Once the form is completed, click Arrive Patient at the bottom of the form. The patient will now be available on the whiteboard.